Apple has officially unveiled the Apple Watch Ultra 3, the latest evolution of its high-performance sport and adventure smartwatch lineup. At first glance, it might look familiar, but Apple has packed in some meaningful upgrades that make this the most capable Ultra yet. Design-wise, the Ultra 3 keeps the same rugged titanium case at 49mm by 44mm and 14.4mm thick, available in both natural titanium and the sleek black DLC-coated version. But the big news is the new OLED display. It's not only brighter and larger, but the bezels are now 24% thinner, giving the watch a much more immersive look. And for the first time, the always-on screen now refreshes every second, allowing for smoother animations and even a ticking seconds hand on over 20 updated watch faces. Battery life has also seen a bump, up to 42 hours on a single charge, or up to 72 hours in low-power mode. Not the longest in the smartwatch world. But remember, the Apple Watch does far more than most of its rivals. One of the biggest updates is satellite connectivity. That means the Ultra 3 can connect to satellites anywhere in the world for emergencies, search and rescue, and even light text messaging outside of Wi-Fi or cellular coverage. Some features may require subscriptions, but this is a huge leap for outdoor adventurers. On the health front, Apple adds a brand new blood pressure sensor and a sleep score system, alongside refinements to its activity tracking. All of this runs on the latest watchOS 26, optimized for rugged outdoor performance and everyday use. Apple also introduced new watch faces, fresh strap colors, and even an Hermes edition with exclusive faces and rubber strap options. And the best part? Pricing stays the same. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 starts at $799 and launches worldwide on September 19th, 2025. So, what do you think of the new Apple Watch Ultra 3? Is it the upgrade you are waiting for, or are you sticking with your current Apple Watch? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss our full hands-on review coming soon.